Hello, my name is Pearce Christie and welcome to my video presentation on my poster and my project placement in University Cartagena on Erasmus. So firstly, my placement involved by participation on projects that were being led by graduate students and doctorate students. So I was involved heavily in two projects. The first one was a floating air and water sensor for the Bay Area of Cartagena, and the second one was a vibration sensor for industrial fault detection. So on the project for the floating sensor, my main task was powering the project, which involved a lot of work with solar panels, lithium batteries, solar charge controllers, and a lot of study of the weather patterns in the region so as to size these solar devices correctly. In the second project I was involved in, it was a vibration sensor, and my main task on this project was to capture the analog data being fed from the sensor and convert this data into a more usable form and transfer it using the FFT on Arduino and send that data over LoRa to a database where we could then use that data to analyze faults in the machine. I found the work I was doing there was very relevant with my power electronics modules, and especially my signals and systems and digital signal processing modules, which I relied heavily upon during my work on the vibration sensor, because a lot of the work there was almost identical to the quizzes and other coursework that we completed in our digital signal processing module. And just quickly, impacts on my career choices, I would say that doing this project placement abroad really opened my eyes to the possibility of taking on roles and jobs that have as a part of them the opportunity to go abroad. In the past, I would have been reluctant to even consider roles that would involve me leaving Ireland for long periods of time. So here's a short section about the area in which I was staying. So it's Cartagena, it's in the southeast of Spain, and one of the big things about the region, as you can see from some of these photos here, is that there are old Roman ruins. Sorry, that was on the previous slide. You saw the old Roman ruins on the previous slide, and it's also heavily involved in the Navy. So the Spanish Armada actually has a submarine base here. As you can see in this image, I caught a submarine that was going back to base, and also, as you can see, it's a bit small, but this roundabout here is in the center of Cartagena, and it has a old submarine on the top of it.